Hello everyone. The summer is right around the corner, and right now we are recruiting for our summer internship program for college students ages 18 to 25. And this is really a very exciting program. It's really a great opportunity for a lot of students who want to get into ministry and learn the ins and outs of how to be a disciple, how to live that kingdom life of a disciple on the mission of the Great Commission, and on how to make disciples as well. And so if you are a college student ages 18 to 25, you can go to the website, keystoneproject.org, to fill out an application and apply for that. And once again, I just want to encourage you, this is really an incredible, a tremendous, life-changing opportunity for you. And we're looking for a team of about 8 people to come alongside us and join us as we engage in cross-cultural ministry and the work of the mission. Right now we're located in the Black Hills of South Dakota, which is home to Mount Rushmore, which is just right here behind me. And every year we see a lot of international students from all over the world come and work in this town, and they come and work for us at the hotel that we have. And what we do is we put college students to work at our hotel, working alongside those international students, and so that they're living life with them and able to engage with them every single day, and they're sharing the gospel with them. And there are some tremendous testimonies of just amazing things that God has done in their lives. And that's our goal. It's to see the nations reached for Jesus. And so we know that the nations are here in Keystone. They come here every summer, and we have this tremendous opportunity to reach out to them, to minister to them, and share the love of Christ to them. And so if you're a college student aged 18 to 25 and you want to be a part of that team, you can go to Keystone Project website and fill out that application there, and we'll be in touch with you shortly.